That's perfect. And I would say it's just like if you're, if you do a lot of virtual meetings and you do things at home, I close the door. Yep. I make sure that I'm just in here. The dog's not back there.
Yeah.
And that way I can stay focused and I'm not having to move my attention elsewhere. And That would be the same with you as well.
Yep. Yep. Engagement is the key.
Very much. So the last question I'd like to ask is, what are some of the trends that you're seeing in students and for parents to be aware of, that to take notice?
Well, math is definitely, since the pandemic, math has been one of the biggest gaps. A lot of the kids nowadays, because they're lacking in math, use math apps to find the answer. They have PhotoMath, they have Mathway, they have Fast Math, they have EasyMath.com. All of those are apps that students are using just to get the answer for whatever homework assignment, whatever they're doing. Some provide an explanation. Like I do know that PhotoMath provides a step-by-step, but the problem is they'll be like, where do I get this 2 from? How did they get this 2 to come over here? So if they don't know the basics, once again, they're going to be at a loss. So I'm noticing that that's a big trend. Whenever they want to rush and finish their assignments, that's what they use. Now, I like to turn challenges into opportunities. That would be great, but they have to know, why did we subtract the 2 from this side into the other side? And parents can use those same apps. And if they know and they can explain it to them, by all means, definitely explain it to them. There's resources out there. YouTube. What child doesn't know about YouTube, right? So even as adults, I had to clean my drain in my bathtub. I went to YouTube and I found my thing and I did what it asked me to do. So it's the same thing. Students are going to YouTube to try to learn a lesson. The problem is, again, if they have questions, they can't ask the video. Why did you choose the -2 to do this? Or how did you get from this point to this point? But yes, I would say use whatever resources you can, but you also have to have a clear understanding, not just of the basics, but how are they doing it step by step?
That's awesome. Thank you so much. So what I'd love to find out now is, how can parents find you and contact you to discuss their current situation?
Well, you can definitely reach me via phone. It's 407-658-7575. That's where you can leave a message and I can call you right back. This is how you spell Your Learning Solution. My website is yourlearningsolution.com, or you can email me at lisamarie@yourlearningsolution.com.
Lisa, thank you. We will have everything in the comments for all these videos, so that way people can find you. And like we said earlier, she's going to be within the group, and any questions that you have based on the information that we share in all of these videos, we just ask that you leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure and get those taken care of. So Lisa, thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Thank you.